Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Liquid Platinum Star. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make ginger cardamom tea. So the ingredients we'll be needing are 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, 1 piece of cardamom, a small piece of ginger, tea powder as per your preference. I have used 2 teaspoons, and sugar as per your preference. Now we are going to pound the cardamom piece and the ginger together. This is how it should look like. The next step is to add water to the container you are going to make tea in. And we are going to let it boil. You can change the water-milk ratio as per your preference. I have added 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. You can add more of water or more of milk. Now that the water has boiled, we can add the cardamom and ginger mixture to it. Now it is time to add tea powder. I have added 2 teaspoons of it. You can add it as per your preference. Now we are going to let it boil for a little while. After that, we are to add the milk to the boiling mixture. Bring the tea to boil and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. The next step is to turn off the stove, cover the tea and then let it rest for 5 minutes. I am going to now strain the tea and serve it in these 2 mugs. On my channel I have posted a video on how to make green tea, so if you already haven't seen that video, the link to it is in the description box down below. Do check it out. The final step is to add sugar to the tea before serving it. You can add sugar as per your taste. I have added 1 teaspoon of sugar for my father and 2 teaspoons of sugar for my mother. Now let's mix this until the sugar is completely dissolved. I also have a how-to playlist and recipe playlist on my channel. I'll leave the link to them in the description box. Do check it out. And now the tea is complete. The tea is now ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this ginger cardamom tea recipe. Do try it out and share your feedback in the comment section down below. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!